Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a while, I haven't posted. The month of December was pretty crazy with exams, birthdays, and Christmas, and then just settling back into school this month. But I'm back with another video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. First, I'm going in with my Kate Somerville Moisturizer, All Glow No Glitter. Next, I'm applying my Bare Minerals Powder Foundation in Natural All Over. After that, I'm using my Guerlain Terracotta bronzer in number 3 to slightly contour and add some color to my face. Next, I'm going in with my NARS Orgasm blush and applying that on the apples of my cheeks. For eyebrows, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade as usual in Granite. So my camera kind of cut off when I started my eyes, but I went in with my Tarte Tarteist gel eyeliner and slightly lined my lash line, and then I used a small eyeshadow brush to smudge it out. Sometimes I'll just use a Q-tip or even my finger to smudge it out. For mascara, I used Smashbox Full Exposure right before applying my lashes, and these ones are Ardell Wispies. For setting spray, I'm using Kat Von D Lock-It setting spray, and for my lips, as usual, I'm going in with some lip balm, and then I used a little bit of the Fenty lip gloss. So this is the final look. It's pretty simple, really easy to do on a day-to-day basis. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time!